Hi, and welcome to week 4 of the Telmooc. Out here feeding bison yet again. They eat a lot. Well, not really. But there's lots of different kinds of technology farmers use. And perhaps you've heard of the hype cycle, Gardner's hype cycle, where, a lot of technologies are often promoted as, the latest and greatest best thing. Well, that might be true if you're looking at it in a specific kind of context, but these round bales come with their own problems as well. For example, if one falls on you, you'll die. It's really heavy. It's about almost a ton, or can weigh up to a ton. So, they're round, they roll. There have been people that are injured and die from having a bale fall on you, specifically when they're being hauled on a trailer and they fall off the trailer. So, that really does solve, this technology of a round bale does solve some things, but it also creates other problems. And that's often what technology and education does. It might solve some problems, but it often creates other ones. Take an example of social media. Take a look at how, yes, it allows us to connect with a lot of people. Yes, it does allow us to have, asynchronous chats in semi-real time or such. You can push a message out, but there's the issue of trolling and garbage posts and, just inappropriate stuff for education. So, great for some components and not so good for others. That's why I always recommend Flipgrid as a social media platform. Anyway, this week there'll be a live session number 3 in week 4, where I'm going to talk about what kinds of things can you do that are worth it with technology tools in your classroom. And it depends. Do you want to collaborate? Do you want to have students research? Do you want to have students present? Anyway, we'll talk about, on our last session, what kind of activity plan, which really is a lesson plan, what kind of lesson plan or activity plan can you make for your classroom for what you teach? And these activity plans are intended to be something that covers a 1 hour or 40 minutes class, not a module, not a week's work, just one activity, and using probably one technology. You don't need to have 5 different technologies. So with that, hope to see you on Thursday. Please do contribute and follow along in the discussion forums that you can make, and continue to take the quizzes as you can. You can take them as many times as you want. And with that, hope to see you on Thursday.